The South Alabama Jaguars and the Bowling Green Falcons going at it on December 20th in Montgomery, Alabama for the Camellia Bowl. Hello and welcome to our Campus Insider Studios, everybody. I'm Shea Pepler alongside our college football analyst, Doug Chapman. And Doug, let's start with the Falcons here first. They took down Indiana earlier this season, but now on a 3-game losing streak. What do they need to do to turn things around?
Somebody. Anybody. Somebody play some defense out there. They had the worst defense in the Mid-American Conference. They're allowing opponents just under 500 yards per game. Bright spot on that defense, though, Gabe Martin, 16 tackles for loss, but defensively, they have to find a way to make stops. All 11 of their players are my X factor.
For South Alabama coach Joey Jones and the Jaguars, this is their first ever postseason appearance, but they too have lost 4 out of their last 5. How do the Jaguars now turn things around?
Quarterback Brandon Briggs, he's got to be the reason. He's got to be the catalyst. I love a dual threat quarterback. Any guy that you can get out there, can make some throws, can also make some plays with his legs. You got to love that. He's helped that offense out. Been up and down all year, keeps defenses on their heels with his escapability. Missed a couple games, but towards the end of the season was really going through his progressions a lot better as a thrower. We know the athleticism is there, but his development as a passer has come along as well, too.
Prediction time, Falcons, Jaguars in Montgomery. Who are you taking?
Got to go with South Alabama. Basically a home game. They'll be their fans there. Bowling Green may not travel as well. It'll be like a home game for the Jaguars. They should win this.
All right, well, here's a stat you need to know. The MAC has had 5 or more teams in bowls for the last 4 seasons now. Interesting little nugget there. Doug Chapman, thanks so much for the insight. And for more surrounding the college football postseason, be sure to keep checking campusinsider.com.